Welcome back to Rolling Legends, where horsepower meets high voltage. Today, we're diving into the future with the 2026 GMC Hummer EV, a beast reborn not as a gas-guzzling off-roader, but as a trail-conquering electric titan. Let's take a closer look at what makes this electric supertruck one of the most exciting vehicles on the road and off it. The 2026 Hummer EV isn't just a truck, it's a statement. GM has taken the iconic Hummer badge and reinvented it for a new generation, combining brute strength with clean energy. At first glance, you'll notice the futuristic design hasn't lost any of that aggressive Hummer DNA. A squared-off stance, bold grille with backlit Hummer lettering, and those rugged LED lights that look ready to slice through time and terrain. Under the skin, the 2026 Hummer EV is built on GM's Ultium platform, a modular EV architecture that delivers serious performance. Depending on the trim, you're looking at up to 1,000 horsepower and a mind-blowing 11,500 pounds-feet of torque at the wheels. That means 0 to 60 in about 3 seconds for a truck that weighs well over 9,000 pounds. Supercar speed, pickup power. But the Hummer EV isn't just about speed, it's a 4x4 monster built to conquer nature. With its adaptive air suspension, you get up to 16 inches of ground clearance in extract mode. It features 4-wheel steering and the now iconic CrabWalk mode, letting you drive diagonally to slide out of tight off-road situations. It's not a gimmick, it's genuinely useful on rough trails or narrow mountain passes. Range anxiety? Not here. The 2026 model continues to push boundaries with an estimated range of over 350 miles on a full charge, depending on the configuration. And thanks to 800-volt DC fast charging, you can gain nearly 100 miles of range in about 12 minutes at a compatible station. That means more adventure, less waiting. Inside, the cabin feels like a command center. You get a 13.4-inch infotainment screen, a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and rugged materials that feel both premium and adventure-ready. There's even an infinity roof, a modular panel system that lets you remove sections and let the sky in. And yes, the transparent sky panels are back for that open-air, safari-style driving experience. Tech doesn't stop there. The Hummer EV includes GM Super Cruise, a hands-free driver assistance system with automatic lane changing. It's one of the most advanced systems on the road today and makes long-distance drives smooth and stress-free. Whether you're rock crawling in Moab, carving dunes, or just turning heads in the city, the 2026 Hummer EV is proof that off-road muscle and electrification aren't mutually exclusive. It's bold, it's futuristic, and it's unapologetically powerful. A legend reborn for a new electric era. That's it for today's ride. If you enjoyed this breakdown, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary machines right here on Rolling Legends. Catch you on the next one, and as always, drive legendary.